Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create board here in ClickUp. So first things first, what we really need to do is log in into our ClickUp account, as I did. I believe that you don't need help with that. So once we're in here in our workspace, we want to focus on top corner of our screen where we have list, board, calendar, Gantt, table, and also we can add a view. So let's go to board, which is second option. And as you can see, we can search in these boards. So easily you see that we are inside this theme space, or as I called it. And you see all the to-dos, all in progress, and all complete tasks. What we want to do is really like drag and drop tasks, and you'll be able to change their status as you do that. So for example, we have something created to do, like task number 2 in a Marcus project, and we want to click with the left mouse button and drag it underneath the complete if it's complete. So we see that task number 2 and task number 3 are completed. Also, they change the status inside of the list view as well. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.